So I've decided that I've been really wanting to vlog again. I was only vlogging when I went on trips, but I really just want to like vlog like all the time, every day. I miss it. Today was a good day because we're having a crazy snowstorm, so I'm going to show you guys what it looks like outside. Yeah, so today's a snow day. I have 2 midterms tomorrow, so I've just been studying. My boyfriend had a midterm at 4:10, and they actually just canceled classes from 4 p.m. on. So he's really happy. He just sent that to me. But he has another midterm tomorrow, and then he goes on spring break. He's going to Mexico. I'm really jealous of him. My spring break doesn't start till like March 30th to like April 8th. But yeah, so get back to my studying. I'm studying for my computer science class. Ooh. So we left the comforts of our home to get some sweet greens, and it was close. Now we're heading back, and we're probably just gonna make some plated. Well, that didn't work out, but I'm gonna make some plated now, and I'll vlog a little bit of that so you guys can see. So this is what I'm gonna make for lunch now. Here's some dough and the bag of ingredients. This is our little kitchen, our Vitamix, and I'm putting this to 450. So I just washed 2 onions and 2 pears, and now it wants me to chop them up. So that is starting to foam now. That's cool. Roll out the dough for the pizza. We actually don't have a rolling pin, so I'm going to improvise with this and some clear wrap. Wish me luck. To this bowl, I just added 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar and 1/3 cup of olive oil. I'm going to put some salt, about half a teaspoon, and some pepper. This is mozzarella and provolone. Some blue cheese. Now I'm going to top it off with the apples and put it back in the oven for 9 minutes. They look so good. Can't wait to eat them. Dinner! Some arugula on the side. It's 1 a.m. on Friday, March 9th. I had a crazy Thursday, an econ midterm, and then I went to this like marketing panel thing that my school was having. It was really cool actually, like to hear everyone talking and learn about some internships. So I'm really hoping that something like that works out for me next year. Then I had another midterm and then some marketing research that I had to do. It was like answer a survey. It actually lasted a long time, but I got back home and I had kind of a self-care day. I like did my nails, my hair. I'm about to do a facial, and then I'm going to cook some more plated. This one is tarragon butter mushrooms. I'm not going to be filming this one for you guys because I feel like it'd take a really long time. Also, the pizza one was just like kind of an easier recipe. You can like find all the ingredients. I would leave the recipe and instructions down below for you guys if you guys want to see it, but really excited to do that. We're kind of crazy because it's 1 a.m. and we're gonna cook plated, and we're packing because Justin leaves for a 9 a.m. flight. 9 a.m.
10 a.m. What?
Anyway, what? That's 8 hours.
Then I have to leave.
We're making plated. Earlier. We have to pack. You have to leave earlier.
Yeah, I'm asleep.
That got me a little nervous, but it's okay. We're gonna have a good time. We got some 5-hour energy earlier. We don't have any problems not sleeping. We can stay up late. We just want to sleep when we're not supposed to, like when we have to do homework. I'm gonna go put my facial on and then get cooking. What time is it, babe?
2:30.
Okay. I'm vlogging right now. It's 2:30 a.m. I just finished the food. It looks really good. We're gonna eat it, watch the show The Chi or The Chai or something like that, which is really good. We're like obsessed with it. And then we're gonna pack. We still have to pack. And then go to bed. I don't feel tired, which is great, but now I'm gonna show you guys the food, which I hate. So, some mushrooms, butternut squash,